mud, mud. Wet, soft dirt. My shoes were covered in mud after the walk. My shoes were covered in mud after the walk. Sweat, sweat. Water that comes out of the skin when you are hot or nervous. He was sweating after running for an hour. He was sweating after running for an hour. Stench, stench. A very bad smell. A very bad smell. The stench from the garbage was terrible. The stench from the garbage was terrible. Quarrel, quarrel. An argument or fight with words. I had a quarrel with my friend yesterday. I had a quarrel with my friend yesterday. Sorrow, sorrow. Deep sadness. She felt deep sorrow when her pet died. She felt deep sorrow when her pet died. Foam, foam. Bubbles that form on the surface of water or liquid. The foam on the waves looked beautiful. The foam on the waves looked beautiful. Dust, dust. Tiny, dry dirt particles in the air or on surfaces. I need to clean the dust off the shelves. I need to clean the dust off the shelves. Bargaining, bargaining. Talking to lower the price of something. He enjoys bargaining when he shops at the market. He enjoys bargaining when he shops at the market. Separate, separate. Not together, apart. They decided to sleep in separate rooms. They decided to sleep in separate rooms. Provoke, provoke. To make someone or something angry or annoyed. Don't provoke the cat, or it will scratch you. Don't provoke the cat, or it will scratch you. Affection, affection. Showing love or care for someone. She showed her affection by hugging her child. She showed her affection by hugging her child. Apologize, apologize. To say sorry for something you did wrong. I apologize for being late to the meeting. I apologize for being late to the meeting. Sow. Sow. To plant seeds in the ground. Farmers sow seeds in spring to grow crops. Farmers sow seeds in spring to grow crops. Trap. Trap. The mouse was caught in the trap. The mouse was caught in the trap. The mouse was caught in the trap. Cling. Cling. The baby clung to her mother's leg. The baby clung to her mother's leg. The baby clung to her mother's leg.